Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, we are picking few cards, guys. So these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, Cancers. And I'll be picking few more cards from another deck, guys. So that will be for your relationship and career situation. So one card each from this deck. So let's see what is coming up, guys. First I will start with your general energy. We have Seven of Cups in reverse, the World, Five of Cups in reverse, Knight of Cups, and Ten of Cups. So Cancers, in your situation today, guys, you are quite emotional today. Maybe you feel really happy about certain things. Maybe in your situation there is someone coming to visit you. It may be a friend or a family member or your person, the person you love. So they are coming after a long time. Maybe you were in a long distance relationship and this person is coming to visit you, guys, or they are coming back to you, and you are simply happy for their presence, for their arrival today. So maybe for some of you, you were in separation and you were in some kind of you were in some troubles and you both wanted to take time, maybe for few days, and or it may be even a few months, to think and decide clearly. But this person has come back to you, something that is giving you happiness and satisfaction today, because you love this person but you did not want to take the first step towards them. You wanted to see whether they have the similar feelings for you. So this person has proved you right today, guys. So what you felt for them, that is what they are also feeling for you. So they love you and they are here for you, and they feel that they cannot live without you, just as you cannot live without them. So this person is coming back. Maybe you are going to them or they are coming to you. So reconciliation, that is what I see with this card, guys. Or maybe for some of you, if it is something to do with your career situation, maybe the projects or whatever that got suspended, that is reviving again, or maybe some failures in your career. So all that is changing to success, and things are going towards that completion, guys, in your situation today, Cancers. So Cancers, you have that satisfaction, peace of mind, emotional contentment today. Things are proceeding as they should today, guys, and you are feeling happy and you feel complete with this person. Maybe you were missing them before, guys, before when you were in separation, and today this person being there with you You have happiness because they are here with you today. And whatever difficulties you are facing, all that is coming to an end, guys. That is also what I see. And this person you love, this may be your energy or their energy, they really want to be open, honest and truthful with you, and they are willing to communicate with you, have that heart to heart communication, because only when you know about the other person you can be in a proper relationship. When you are able to find out what they have in their mind, you will be able to understand them better, guys. So that is what this person wants with you, Cancers, or you want this with this person. So that is the energy with these cards, guys, Cancers. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. So we have one card here. So we have 8 of Earth. So this is the card for your relationship, guys. So in this connection, in this love, you have reached certain things. Maybe you have reached a particular phase and you know what you need to do today. Your life has given you a learning, given you lot of experience, and you have confidence in your situation, and you want to start with that strength in your heart based on those experiences that you have in your life, and you know what is the right way to proceed in this connection, in this love, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are feeling really great when you are with them. That level of understanding, that deep connection is what you experience when you are with this person, guys, with in this connection. So that is the card for your relationship, Cancers. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Queen of Fire. So with this card in your career, guys, Cancers, maybe you may get opportunities for a partnership or some kind of collaboration. And if you are finding some difficulties in your work situation, Cancers, you must go for that teamwork or collaboration or some kind of partnership. So that is going to change the way you work. That is going to inspire you and take you towards greater success in life, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.